Hi there. Today I will be unboxing the Brightup Foil Shaver. Now, opening it up, you're greeted with the user manual and more boxes. Inside black box number 1, you get a luxurious black velvet travel pouch with more stuff inside. And in black box number 2, you'll find the shaver itself. Now, let's take a closer look. The user manual is super detailed and user friendly, with diagrams and clearly labeled parts. It tells you everything you need to know to get started. Next, we have the travel pouch. It comes with other stuff, but we'll get to that later. The travel pouch feels high quality, soft, velvet, well stitched, and definitely gives that luxurious vibe. And now, the items that were wrapped up in the travel bag. We have here a cleaning brush. It is compact but sturdy, and a charging cable, USB Type-C to be exact. Now for the star of the show, the foil shaver. It feels really premium in hand, with a solid weight that's not too heavy. On the back, you have the push-up trimmer, and at the bottom is the charging port. The foil head pops right off for easy cleaning, and there's a protective cover to keep it safe. Now here's how you charge it. Mine came fully charged, it's at 100%. It also has a red indicator light to show that it's charging. Now uncapping it, you see the dual foil rollers and the pop-up trimmer. Powering it on, the LCD display shows the battery level, and you can toggle between two speed settings. If you push the trimmer up, the foil automatically pauses and the trimmer engages. It's a very smart design. Alright, let's see it in action. Here's the forearm we're testing on. You can see the hair growth right here. First, I go in with the trimmer to cut the hair down. It's so easy to use and completely painless. Once the hair is trimmed down, I switch to the foil shaver for that super smooth finish. This part is so satisfying to watch. It glides effortlessly and there's no stubble left behind. The skin feels silky smooth and every last hair is gone. And the cleanup was a breeze. I used the included brush, which was very handy and helped me get into all the creases. I recapped the shaver and then put it back in the travel pouch for safe storage. In my opinion, this shaver is totally worth it. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a quick, painless shaver that gives you a smooth and perfect shave. It's stylish, powerful, gentle on the skin, and comes with everything you need. Plus, it's travel friendly. If you're looking for a clean, painless shave that actually lasts, this shaver makes it possible. Thank you so much for watching.